Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this session, we are going to look at how to better yourself in 10 practical tips. You can't be too busy to improve yourself. If you think you are already good, you can still do better. If you are someone looking for the meaning of life, there is nothing more meaningful than pursuing a life of development and betterment. Think about this. It is through improving ourselves that we get the most out of life. The good news is that there is never an end to the journey of self-improvement. In fact, you can start improving yourself now. Don't worry, what we have here is 10 easy tips to better yourself. Let's start. First one, read books. Books are concentrated sources of wisdom, but you have to choose good books. The more books you read, the more knowledge and wisdom you get to better improve yourself. Some books you can read are those that promote improvement socially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and even financially. If you are wondering what to read, you might want to check out my list of top 5 books that you need to read before you die. Second one, learn a new language. Well, English isn't the only language in the world. Learning a new language will also come in handy when you want to travel the world or meet new people. You can start learning Spanish, Chinese, Japanese, or anything that fancies you. Learning a language is an exciting skill and it opens up your mind to other cultures also. Scientists have also shown that bilingualism makes you smarter. Third one, pick up a new hobby. Think about the things you wanted to do but haven't done. Did you want to learn how to play tennis? Then start now. Did you want to learn to play chess? You can do it now. There is a lot of hobbies you can pick up like fencing, golf, rock climbing, football, and ice skating, etc. It can also be a recreational hobby like poetry, Italian cooking, dancing, web designing, etc. Recent studies continue to confirm that you can increase your potential and general intelligence. Fourth one, take up a new course. Courses are a great way to gain new knowledge and skills. What's nice about today's technology is that there are a lot of courses you can join online. There is no need to go to physical room to learn something new. Some of these are even free. It doesn't have to be a long-term course. You can just take some seminars or workshops that teach you new things. That's it. Fifth one, overcome your fears. All of us have fears. It's part of being human. Our fears range from uncertainty, public speaking, risk, and etc. You get the point, right? The thing is that these fears keep us inside our comfort zone. By doing so, it prevents us from growing. So start telling by yourself that your fears reflect the area where you wanted to grow. So neglect these fears and overcome from these fears also. Sixth one, wake up early. Waking up early has been acknowledged by many successful gurus. Many successful people claim that 4 a.m. is the most productive hour of the day due to lack of distractions, and it gives you a sense that you have control over your life. Seventh one, have an exercise routine. You can't be better if your health is failing. You can start to jog at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes each time. You can also mix it up with gym sessions, swimming, etc. And remember, exercise doesn't have to be annoying. You can enjoy it too. If you hate jogging, try weights. Hate weights? Try machines. Hate machines? Try something else what you wanted to do. Eighth one, stay focused with to-do lists. Start your day with a list of tasks that you wanted to complete and stick to it. Having a to-do list will help you stay focused to achieve your goals for the day. You will realize how unproductive you are without a list. Remember, keep the to-do list simple, achievable, and make sure to always finish MITs, that is, the most important tasks. Ninth one, acknowledge your flaws. Every one of us makes mistakes, but what is important is to understand them, acknowledge them, and address them. When you address your flaws, you confront yourself with the things that needs improvement. And the last one is avoid negative people. This is very important. No matter how we shield ourselves from negative people, we are always bound to meet on. What we can do is learn to avoid them. Don't spend too much of your time around them because they will only drag you down. The conclusion of this session is self-improvement is not so easy. Although some results can be seen immediately, others take time to develop. But if you keep to it, you will start seeing positive changes in yourself and your life. Remember that the sooner you take these actions, the faster you see the results. And that's it for the session. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.